Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to order on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to access your Etsy website. So you can simply go to your browser or a web browser and simply type etsy.com. Then it will take you to the Etsy website. Now that you have access to the Etsy website, you will need just to search for the products that you want to order. So for searching, you have many features that you can use or many methods. Either you can simply go to categories, and from here you can choose the category that you want, and then you search for the listing that you would like to order, or you can simply choose from these. So for example, if you want to buy a gift, you can go for here. Otherwise, if you want Easter's or like search for home favorites, fashion finds, etc. Let's go for the fashion finds, for example. So from here, you'd find also more categories that you might see. For example, let's go for rings. Now that we choose rings, we will see like these mini items. So from here, you can find any ring that you would like to buy. So let's just go for this one, and it is not available. So let's go for this one here, and basically now we can be able to order it. So you would choose a ring size, you choose the orb size, so either small or large orb, and basically you can simply click on buy it now. And by clicking buy it now, you will be able to order the product. So from here, you will need just to add your address or your shipping address. You can simply be something like that. So you will add just country, etc. And I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on ship here. And basically here in the payments, you will be needing just to add your payments method, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.